Hello friends, this video I'm going to show you how to track the country and service provider based on the phone number. So my input is phone number, the output it will give what is the location and what is the country, who is the service provider. So the first thing is we are running this script through Python. So that Python is the king of automation. It does a lot of things you could think of: WhatsApp automation, email automation, web scraping, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, web development, as well as many OCR automation. So all the things you can achieve through Python. So the first here I am doing three things. The first thing is initially I'm installing the package. The package name is phone numbers. This is the only package I'm including into this script. So here you can see PIP. I'm using Google Colab. So what I need to do is I'm just adding PIP install phone number. This is the package I needed. So here you can see the mark which I given exclamatory. It's important to download the package as the first time. If you are already downloaded, that nothing is needed. Here just I'm running on it. It will show you it's already downloaded. Here you can see requirement already satisfied. This package is already downloaded so that nothing is needed. So I'm just command out this. The second thing is I'm importing this phone number package into my code, and two things I need here from phone numbers. I need the separate parameters of geocoder and carrier. So what is the use of carrier? Carrier is nothing but the service provider. I need Geo or else Reliance or else Airtel service provider details. The second thing is geocoder. Geocoder is nothing but just our country history. Maybe I'm thinking it's my state and my location, everything it will give. So here I'm giving input as one phone number, and I'm passing some parameters like CH number. CH number is nothing but the country history. So I'm adding phone number dot parse number comma CH. This is the method I'm using, and I'm printing geocoder dot description for number as a CH number English. And the second thing I'm taking service provider. So here I'm passing service provider as a RO. So I'm printing on it what is the carrier of the service provider. So I'm simply running on it. So this is the mobile number input. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Some of the mobile numbers you can get it location, which means including state and location, and some of the mobile numbers you can't get it complete detail. That is some secure things. I'm running the second number. Let me run it. It is showing Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I'm running the third number. Hyderabad local, Andhra Pradesh. This is the output. I'm running the fourth number. So it is somewhat Singapore. So it's showing on it Singapore. I'm running the fifth number. So it is nothing but that it is somewhat in Malaysia. Location is Putrajaya. This is the Malaysian area. Putrajaya is one of the local part of the Malaysia. So it's giving the area. But sometimes I can get it through service provider as well. Here you can see I'm just commenting out this number and giving some another number like here I am giving this number because of that I need some providers 682010166. I'm just running on it. Here you can see this is the India and the provider is Reliance Jio. Maybe the Airtel or some of most of the things we are getting providers and some of things we are not getting providers. So we can make it to some deep dive as well. I will update you the next video how we can deep dive into the village and other things including the provider. Thank you so much for watching this.